So hello and welcome to this short video about how to become a CPD event organiser with the Register of Sheep Advisors. Now, fortunately, this is a really quick and easy process, and it can all be done through the Register of Sheep Advisors website. So as you can see, we're on the home page here, and the first thing that you'll need to do is go onto the events menu and then click onto the CPD event organisers page. Now on this web page, it provides you a bit more information about what it means to be a CPD event organiser, and also gives some example of the types of CPD activities that can be allocated ROSA points. So that could be events or magazines or podcasts, a range of different activities. And if you've decided that you'd like to get some activities registered for ROSA CPD points, you simply need to click on the Become a CPD Event Organiser button. Now this will take you to an online form, and to register as a CPD event organiser, you can either do this as a company or as an individual. And I'm going to show an example here of how you do it as a company. So the first thing you do here is you provide some details for your company. So that might be your name of the company, it's the company phone, it's also the main email address that will be used. So in this example, I'm going to put my work email address, and you also have to show here that you're whether you're a non-UK company or a UK-based company. And finally, to personalise your CPD event organisers area on the web page, you can also add a logo in here if you'd like to. So we've done that. Now, in the contact details part here, you've got to provide the contact details for the key person who'll be organising the CPD events or activities and will be registering for ROSA points. So in this example, I'm going to use me as the main organiser. So again, I'm putting in my contact details and finishing off with my email here. You also provide your date of birth. And that's all the personal contact details that you need to provide for us there. And then the final thing is the address. So the address of where you work at. So I'm just going to put the address for the office that I work at. And then you just click submit here. As you can see, that application has gone through, and this is sent through to Michelle, who is our CPD event manager, that looks like this. And as you can see, it provides you with your username for the ROSA CPD event organisers webpage, and it also gives the link where you can log into your unique area on the ROSA website. And again, it also shows you how to contact ROSA in case you have any queries or questions. Press the Forgotten Password tab if it's the first time you've logged in. So what you do here is you put your email address in, the one that you've just put in on the form. And then just click, if it's the first time you're logging in, then just click Forgotten Password. Okay, and what you should receive then is you'll receive a password reminder that is shown here that shows you what your password is. This will be randomly generated if it's the first time you're logging in, but this can also be used if you have forgotten your password after you've set it. And then you can put your password in here. And then there you're onto the CPD event organisers area on the ROSA website. And as you can see, this is where you can register an event. You can also add attendees for events that you've registered in the past. And it's also where you can change your password, so you can change it to a password that you can more easily remember. So thanks for watching this short video. And if you have registered as a CPD event organiser and want to know how you get events registered and you register attendees, then watch the other video on the ROSA website.